Hi, in my earlier video, you learnt numbers from 1 till 10. You also saw how to count these numbers on your fingers. You saw a few examples as well. In this video, I will tell you how to count different objects you see around yourself. Okay? You know these numbers already, and you also know how to show these numbers on your fingers. Let us see a few more examples. Okay, so our first example, can you count number of apples in this picture? Let me bring left hand. Here we have left hand and all the numbers written on each finger. Now let us keep one apple on each finger. Make sure that you always start from number 1. So light green apple will go to thumb. Then green apple will go to index finger and red apple will go to middle finger. Now we don't have any more apples. See which finger has got the last apple. Yes, that is middle finger. And see the number written on the middle finger. It's 3. So we have total 3 apples. We can write it down here. There is one more way to count number of apples. Simply write numbers on each apple. So we take first light green apple and write 1 on it. After that we'll take green apple and write 2 on it. After that we have red apple and we are going to write 3 on this. See, we are following this series. First we wrote 1. Then we wrote 2 and after that we wrote 3. So we have total 3 apples. This is simple, isn't it? Whenever you are counting, start counting from number 1. From number 1. And then move to next numbers, that is 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now let us take one more example. This time I will bring more objects. You see, here we have few balls and we need to count them. As we did in the earlier example, let us bring each ball on top of each finger. We'll take left hand first and start with number 1. So we have orange ball on thumb, grey ball on index finger, then red ball on middle finger, yellow ball on ring finger and green ball on little finger. But I see I have one more ball, blue ball. So we will start counting from right hand. Here we have right hand and all the numbers written on it. So blue ball will go to the little finger of right hand. Here we don't have any ball left. Now we will see at which number our last ball is kept, and it is at number 6. So we have total 6 balls. Okay, so let us write number on each ball to see if we have done it correctly. Write 1 on orange ball, 2 on grey ball, 3 on red ball, 4 on yellow ball, 5 on green ball and 6 on the blue ball. This is our last ball. So there are 6 balls. Let us see a few more examples. In this example, you need to count number of bottles and write them in the blank space. Here, let us count bottles. You can refer numbers written here. You can also refer fingers diagram here. So we have 1 bottle, we have 2 bottles, and this one is 3rd bottle, this is 4th, and this one is 5th bottle. You can also count these bottles on your hand. So here we have 5 bottles. We will write 5 in the blank space. Let us move to a new example. In this example, you need to count number of leaves. Please count it on your fingers. If you face any difficulty, then you can refer numbers here. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is 7, 8, 9, and this is 10th leaf. Wow, we have 10 leaves here. So we will write 10 in the blank space. Have you noticed one thing? I have written 5 in alphabet and 10 as a number. It is good practice to write numbers from 1 till 9 in words or alphabets, and from 10 onwards you can write numbers in numeric or number format. Okay, so you learned how to count numbers from 1 to 10. You can refer description of this video to get few links of quizzes and workbooks. Thank you for watching.